Ayan na tayo, oh. Parang lucky tayo, ah. Yan, natin konti. Astig masyado, oh. Yun, oh. Closing na. Grabe, oh.
Grabe, profit pa talaga yung girl.
Last tayo talaga pa din. So the ferry will take only 15 minutes. Time check is 8:25. We'll be arriving 8:45.
Ito yung ano, pinaka-efficient na ferry pala.
Efficient siya, no?
Nag-vlog ka ba?
Hindi. It's being recorded na chat.
Ay, okay.
What do you think, Kiars, of the ferry
It is
to
very...
Iloilo to Guimaras? So far, your experience.
It's like the same ferry from Bacolod to
What about the
No,
point?
wala siyang
What about the
passenger.
coincidence that we're the
passenger.
last? Walang passenger, no? Ah, meron.
Tayo siningil?
Sige na tayo. Paid na.
Ay, passengers na pala sila. Pero ba yung passengers wala na?
Kung may vehicle ka ata, wala na eh. Kasi you pay 500 pesos. 500 pesos na okay na siya.
Ay, Joey, graduate ka? Summa cum laude, wow.
Sino si?
Si Owie.
Sumasampung taon na lang.
Sumasang-sampung. Totoo yan, hindi. Joke lang tayo.
Sabi niya, sumasampung. Ayun, no?
Pakicheck mo yung kuya. Is this recording? Hindi,
Yeah.
naabot na 3 minutes na. 2 minutes. Ito siya.
Wala akong makita. Wala akong makita.
Huh?
I can't see anything.
Tulog yung kabila natin, no? Biyahe.